I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up an ESIM on your Pixel with Telstra can be a bit tricky, but following these steps will make it easier. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your Pixel device supports ESIM functionality. Most recent Pixel models do, but it's good to double check. Step 2. Get your ESIM activation code. Contact Telstra to obtain your ESIM activation code. This is usually sent via email or SMS. Step 3. Open Settings. On your Pixel, go to the Settings app. Tap on Network and Internet to begin the ESIM setup process. Step 4. Add Mobile Plan. Select Add Mobile Plan and then choose Use QR Code. Scan the QR code provided by Telstra. If you don't have a QR code, you can enter the activation code manually. Step 5. Confirm activation. Once the ESIM is added, confirm the activation by checking your network status. You should see Telstra as your carrier. If you don't see it, try restarting your device. If you run into issues, make sure your device is updated to the latest software version. Happy connecting!